MiniMax H3 is one of the newest AI video models of 2026, and it brings several features that could make it a serious competitor to tools like Cdance and Kling. Intro. So what exactly does MiniMax H3 offer? How good is the video quality? And is it actually worth using? Let's break down the important details. What is MiniMax H3? MiniMax H3 is a multimodal video generation model from MiniMax. It can work with text, images, video, and audio, allowing you to create and modify video using different types of input. It is designed mainly for creative and commercial applications, including advertising, e-commerce, product design, and gaming. Key features. One of the biggest highlights is video generation of up to 15 seconds in 2K resolution with native stereo sound. H3 can also edit existing video content and perform motion transfer, meaning movement from one video can be applied to another using multimodal instructions and references. Another interesting point is that MiniMax announced plans to release the model's weights, giving developers more flexibility to customize and experiment with the technology. Performance and quality. The main advantage of H3 is its combination of visual generation and multimodal control. The model is built for more than simple text-to-video generation. You can provide different forms of reference material and use them together to guide the result. MiniMax also claims that generating 2K video with H3 costs less than one-third of mainstream competing products, which could make it attractive for creators producing content at scale. Verdict. Overall, MiniMax H3 looks like a strong addition to the AI video generation space. Its 2K output, stereo audio, multimodal inputs, editing capabilities, motion transfer, and relatively low claimed cost make it particularly interesting for creators and businesses. However, it's still a relatively new model, so real-world testing is important before deciding whether it's better than established competitors. If you are interested in AI video generation, MiniMax H3 is definitely a model worth watching in 2026. If you found this review helpful and useful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out our other AI tool reviews. Thank you for watching and goodbye.